welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company. Today we have day 11 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. This is an advent calendar that Missouri Star puts out every year for the last couple years now. If you are new here, go ahead and look at day 1 through day 10 on our YouTube here, and then let's go ahead and dive into day 11. I feel like this one's gonna be one of those ones that's breakable. I don't know, it just feels like it's packaged really well. So far it's wooden. Look how pretty. Missouri Star. Oh geez. Okay, it says Missouri Star Quilt Co. on the back. Oh, interesting. Okay. So this has, oh, is this magnetic? Okay. All right, so this is magnetic here. I have to be honest, what is this? I have no idea. I've never seen this thing before. Do you guys know what this is? And it looks like there's some needles here. All right. These aren't very deep either. They're maybe like a ½ inch in both of these. Let me know down below what you guys think this is and what you think of this unboxing, unbagging. I'm trying to think what I would even use this for. I don't know that I would. I don't know, guys, this might be one of those kind of like re-gifts or something that I do for somebody that is a new sewer or something like that. I don't know, maybe put some needles in here, maybe put a bag of pins here. I'm really not sure, but I don't really see myself using this. As cute as it is, this might be a cute little coaster. All right, let me know what you guys think of this item down below. And then our question for today is, what brand of sewing machine do you have? I have 2 Berninas. I have my 770 here, which is the Tula Pink Limited Edition, Quilters Edition. And then I also have my Q24 Bernina Long Arm. And I forgot, I actually also have a little brother here that I gave to my daughter. She's like, no, that's mine. Yes, it is totally hers now. It used to be mine. I sewed on it for probably 15 years maybe before I actually got my Bernina. And it's a workhorse. I really love my brother. If you are looking for an economical sewing machine and if you can't afford a Bernina, I would definitely recommend Brother. All right, thanks so much for watching, everybody. Stay tuned for day 12. Bye, everyone.